Welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we explore Zasadený, a stunning family house in Slovakia, meaning embedded in Slovak. Get ready to be immersed in nature's embrace. This house is a masterpiece of blending seamlessly with the environment. From the horizontal form that mirrors the landscape to the subtle integration into the sloping terrain, Zasadený prioritizes organic connection. Sustainability reigns supreme. Natural materials like exposed concrete, raw stainless steel, and untreated wood create a sense of serenity and timeless beauty. The green roof is the ultimate cherry on top, mimicking the surrounding terrain for a truly unified look. Large glazed walls blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. Natural light floods the home, while offering breathtaking views of the pine forest and beyond. A skylight with a unique partially transparent fabric adds another layer of intrigue, providing a constantly changing play of light. Nestled amidst the mountains of central Slovakia, Zasadený boasts a picturesque location. Perched on a hill above Banská Bystrica, it offers stunning vistas of the pine forests, the city, and even the high Tatras mountain range. Designed with the client's needs in mind, the house features a single-story layout for maximum comfort. Privacy from neighboring houses was a priority, achieved through clever positioning. Large windows ensure a constant connection with the surrounding beauty. The house is designed for effortless living. Guest parking cleverly placed on the roof of the wine cellar offers easy access. The main entrance boasts covered parking directly accessible from the house. The horizontal form is accentuated by large windows facing the terrace and forest. The living area seamlessly transitions into the terrace, creating an expansive summer kitchen and dining space. A skylight further enhances the connection between interior and exterior. The layout prioritizes minimal corridors. The central living hall connects the master bedroom with the study on one side and children's and guest rooms on the other. Technical and storage spaces are cleverly tucked away near the entrance. This exceptional home is a testament to sustainable design and a celebration of nature. It's a place to relax, unwind, and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Would you live in a home like Zasadený? Share your thoughts on sustainable architecture in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.